What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny, aka Curl in Motion, and I make videos all about natural hair. So today I'm actually going to be doing my wash day routine, but with a little bit of a twist. I am going to be making all of my products today. So my shampoo, my conditioner, my leave-in, as well as my gel. And I'm making these all from ingredients that I mostly had right here in my kitchen cabinets, with the exception of maybe about 2 or 3 of these ingredients. And those other 2 or 3, I actually just went to my local Walmart and purchased them. So this is a super easy DIY if you would like to follow along. I will not be making the products on camera, I will be making them off camera, but when I start the process, I will put the recipes somewhere in this video, as well as in the description box down below. So if you end up liking this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Today I'm going to be using flaxseed, 1 can of coconut milk, my favorite essential oil, lavender, honey, peppermint Castile soap, though you can use whatever kind your heart desires, and cheesecloth. But now that I've done this, I would actually recommend clean pantyhose as opposed to cheesecloth, and I'll explain why later. And voila, I've always wanted to do that. Starting from the left side, I have my shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and last but not least, my flaxseed gel. Starting with the shampoo, so I got this recipe from naturallycurly.com, and I'm taking all the ingredients you see right here on the screen. I funneled them into that little green bottle, shook it up, and voila, I had my own shampoo. Now, as a disclaimer, my hair does not like coconut oil whatsoever, but I've never tried coconut milk, and most of the products I'm using today involve coconut milk as an ingredient. So we're going to see how my hair reacts to that. And because this is not a tutorial, let's go ahead and speed through this. So next is the conditioner. I got this recipe from stylecraze.com, and I simply just mixed the coconut milk and the honey together in this plastic bowl, and voila, I had my conditioner. Now, just as a warning, this makes a lot of product. I actually could have cut this recipe in half and still had enough for my hair, but if you have a lot of hair, then this might be the perfect amount for you. And you'll probably see me at the end of this clip just kind of drizzling this over the entirety of my head, just because I probably won't use this again, and because there are no preservatives in it, it'll only last about a week in the refrigerator, so might as well get good use of it right now. Washed, it's been conditioned, and I just did my little same part, and to be honest, my hair feels okay. I'm not blown away by the results. My only complaint about that conditioner is because it was so liquidy, it was just dripping everywhere, and I don't like that. I don't like water or just products, anything dripping down my back or the side of my face, so that's probably my only complaint. But I did use heat. I have a new little thermal cap that I put on top of my head for 25 minutes. So now I'm just going to continue on like regular for my wash day, and I'm just going to section off my hair. This is also going to be a little bit different for me because the leave-in conditioner that I made for today is also coconut milk. It's basically just coconut milk, distilled water, and a couple of drops of lavender oil, and so it's very liquidy. So I'm not going to need my water spray bottle today, so this should be really interesting to see how this works. And then I have my flaxseed gel here, which seems to me a little bit watery. It has an interesting consistency, so we'll see. And then I haven't used my little tangle teaser in a really long time, so I thought this should make an appearance because I don't know how well this is really going to define my hair and hold it. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna do like normal, but instead of spraying my water, I am going to go ahead and spray the leave-in and use this Tangle Teaser. So we'll just start with the back. And y'all, I did not expect this on the first section of my hair. I'm pleasantly surprised, so I really hope that this continues. And by the looks of it, I'm not so sure about that first impression. Okay, so these are the results with wet hair. Not too bad. I did put a lot of that gel in my hair. I will say that I like this side better than this side. So we'll see once my hair dries. So I'm just gonna step off camera and probably go outside and take my dog for a walk, because where I live it's currently 107 degrees. So if I just spend a good 15-20 minutes outside, my hair will probably be about 75% dry. So we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out, and like I said, I'm gonna show it whether it's good or bad, so I'm hoping it's good. All right, so I am back and my hair is fully dry, and the verdict is it's not terrible, but would I do this again? Probably not, but it was a fun little experiment to try. I'll start with the shampoo. So I use Castile soap, but I use peppermint Castile soap with coconut milk, and I will say that my hair takes really well to coconut milk. I actually particularly like it, and along with the Castile soap, the peppermint in it made my scalp feel all tingly. It was that nice feeling. It felt like my hair got really clean, but it didn't strip my hair. And after I rinsed out the shampoo, I felt like my hair was really soft, and I feel like it was really moisturized. So I gave a thumbs up to the shampoo. The conditioner, I gave a thumbs down to. It was way too runny. It kept dripping down the side of my face. It was dripping down the side of my neck, and as you know, I just don't like that feeling. It just makes me squeamish and makes my skin crawl, so I probably won't be doing the conditioner again. The leave-in conditioner, thumbs down. It may work for somebody else, but it just didn't particularly work for my hair, and it honestly felt like I was spraying fabric softener into my hair. I would say if you're using essential oils, be sparing with them, because I just was dipping, dabbing, and sprinkling them into my leave-in and my gel, and it is way too strong right now. I love lavender, but I feel like it is literally sitting right here and just punching me in the nose because it is so strong. It's giving me a headache. So that's one of the cons that I would say, but that's all up to you whether you put in essential oils or not. I got a little heavy-handed and I shouldn't have, and that's my fault. The gel, I would say, is okay. If I had completely nothing else in my cabinet, or I was just somewhere and all I had was flax seeds and water, then maybe so, the gel is not terrible. But there are some parts of my hair that are still a little bit frizzy. It defined some of the parts. One of the things I will say is my hair is not crunchy. My hair is really, really soft right now. So that is a plus that I like. And it didn't compromise my volume either. That's another plus. I really liked it. But I would say with the definition, it's not so great. There are parts of my hair that are still pretty frizzy, and it did leave a little bit of a cast on my hair. I did take some olive oil and rub it through my hands and kind of fluff my hair. But overall, not the biggest fan. Maybe I'll try it again some other day. I do still have some gel left over. So overall, I would probably give this entire wash routine a C+. Not my best and not my favorite, but it was so much fun to experiment. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys.